a car here called Fallon. That's the make of it. Let's have a wander around. It's very unusual, but British made. Let's have a wander up here at the front and have a look. Have a look at the front here. It's got lots of badges. It's got a horn on the front. The various things. Next to it, you've got a Porsche here. I'll show in a moment. That's the inside of it. That's the interior. That's what it is. Next to it, you've got a Porsche. It's a left-hand drive Porsche, though. I'll just wander up the side and have a look. Got a left-hand drive Porsche. I'll just turn the camera here. Oops, sorry. There. Just wander around the front here. People walk here, but I mean, it's left-hand drive Porsche. Come back round to the other side and have a wander up, and have a wander round. Look at the engine here. Let's have a wander around to the other side. Next to it, you've got a Jag. Walk up the side here, turn the camera around so I can.
What do you mean, yes?
People with it. It's a Porsche here. A real old thing that is. You've got a Jaguar here with bonnet up. Have a look at the engine here. You've got again this is a Jaguar E-Type. E-Type, or it could be an F-Type. You've got people here, their luggage in the back. Swing round here. You've got lots of cars all down, all in the road here. And just behind you, you've got all the caterhams here as well. Let's have a wander up here. Right. And just have one, just walk along here if I can. We've got a few more, a whole road more here. And we've got all sorts. Yeah, you've got. I've wandered down, just wander down the back here. Swing round here. It's a TR4. Just having a wander up the side here. Swing around. Yeah. Turn around here. You've got a TVR sat here. You've got a TVR sat here. You've got an American car next to it. Just down. Down here.
Sometimes you have to.
We've got a Corvette. That's the TVR. And we've got a Corvette Stingray, as they would call them. You've got Corvette, and people looking at everything. You've got Volkswagen Golf next to it. Just gonna have a wander down the side, swing around again. Right here. That's the Corvette. Got Volkswagen Golf, GTI here, white reg, very old. Up here again, and just have a wander down. We've got the people here. We've got Volkswagen Golf. We've got a Capri here. Got red Capri. There's a Porsche. Just have a wander down back here at the moment. I'll just come around here. We've got a Porsche here. It's a Porsche Carrera 993 Targa tip foot bonnet. People run another Porsche next to it. I'll just have one down here just a second. Now swing around. Got Porsche Carrera. It's doing here. You've got Porsche Carrera here. Come around to the front of the vehicle. There you go. You've got next to it, you've got another Porsche. As you can see, you've got lots of people here today. It's a lovely day at Eastbourne car show. Yeah, so there's a lot doing. Come along here, sorry. They got a Capri, that's a 2.9 or 2.8 injection. Have a look, and it's a 2.9 injection, that is, and that's next reg. It's all been done up. So all behind here, you've got all the caterhams to swing around. You've got all the caterhams here as well. The owners club, a whole load of them. Oh. Yeah, you've got a couple of horses and an old, very old Capri that's been done up. So yeah, brilliant. A Lamborghini Diablo. Yeah, nice green silver. Look at the interior to this. Very, very small. There you go. Look at that. You've got all.
You always feel really bad after
how the door, opens up as well. I've wandered around here. You've got Lamborghini, and say from the back it's Diablo. Just gonna have a wander down the side in a moment. Swing round. Here's everyone. Yeah, sorry. You've got Lamborghini Diablo. Huge car these are. They really are. Look at the engine. It's really well. These, this is something. These ones really are. Of course, in high temperature. They would be high temperature. On the engine. But, look at that. It's that is really something. And you've got. There's no obviously carbon fibre on this one, and it hasn't gone to that extent. Doing the carbon fibre, but I mean it's just it's just sheer metal really, and high-powered engine. The doors open. Lovely wheels, and they really are. I expect on this one, in any case, this style. It's going to have a wander around from the back. Just push myself down here. We'll wander around. Yeah, Lamborghini Diablo. Lovely. Next to it, you've got a Ford Sierra, Cosworth, in black. Behind it, you've got a little Ford Escort yellow, and you've got an American car here. Stop and have a look inside. You've got all this. It's a left-hand drive. You just have a swing round. It's you've got Pontiac, American thing. Come round to this side. You've got Pontiac. you know, huge, you know, big American thing. It really is. It's, next to that, as I said, you've got a yellow escort. Other wind up here. Swing around. Just you know, ordinary escort. This one is. It's nothing special. It's not Mexico or anything like that. The Mexico ones are mega money. They are. They sell for a fortune. This is just an ordinary. Just an ordinary escort on its own. It's just a 1300. It's a 1300 escort. So yeah, you've got an American car next to it there, and then you've got this one here, escort. An American Ford. Look at the interior here. Go down the side and swing round to the right. Come round here to the side. Come down here.
Egg time o'clock.
Mustang. Got a real old Ford Mustang here. Next to it, you've got an old G-Reg BMW in red. You've got, you know, this is a Ford Mustang. Yeah, along here, to the side, and swing round here. Yeah, have a look again. And the left-hand drive, it's American, all red and white inside. It's convertible as well. Lovely thing. It really is lovely. Lovely. Swing round. We've got some more cars all in a row. We've got a load of all different cars here. Just trying to have a bit of a wander up the back here. See, you know, to see what there is. Let's have a wander down the front here. Have a walk down here. So you've got some more cars all over there. Some more cars in the road here. The English things, you've got a Rover, an old, you know, big Rover. You've got Bentley here. Just operated. You've got there was a Rolls Royce as well, but you've got Bentley here.
What about any sort of
and then here, look at this. It's a Lancia. This is a Lancia. Just pick up the side here, so just a moment. Good one here. Swing round. It's convertible. Old Lancia.
Are you doing the one that's
next to it, you've got a big American truck next to it. You can just have a wander up the back here. Obviously, there's people around. You've got one Bentley here, and then you've got a white Rolls Royce next to it. Just have a wander down. I say down the front here. I'm just going to have a wander up. everyone here. Should have a wander up here. Excuse me. Everyone round the car, but yeah, got Rolls Royce here. Just have a wander down the sides here. So to walk down the side here, swing round again. People around it. You've got Rolls Royce, got white Rolls Royce, and next to it you have a green Bentley, which is more or less identical to a Rolls Royce. Next to it you've got, if anyone knows what this is, I'm just going to have a look at the front, have a wander down to the front. It's a CMS here, it's a CMS. There's a CMS car. Next to it you've got another old Mustang. Another real old Mustang here, lovely engine. Come along here, so it's wander around, swing round. You can left-hand drive this interior. Yeah, lovely wheels, you know, lovely alloy wheels. You can go old Mustang. Just to wander up here. Old Ford Mustang. Got some cars, you know, cars all behind here. You've got an old, you've got a real old Volvo here, white. Old Volvo here in white, and you've got a little, it's a Micra. Got Morris here, a minor, 1000. With their owners inside. Let's see. What else you got here? This is it's a Humber. This is it's a Humber. Real old black thing. This is. Let's have a wander. Let's have a wander down the side. Swing round here. It's real old. You know, real old. Big British thing. This is a big old Humber.
I'll give it 700.
Might look like a sort of an old Buick, but yeah, right-hand drive in a British. It smells lovely inside as well, it really does. It's got middle armrest in it. It's got his teddy in the back. Real big old thing. They really are. They are something. You know, they're like the old American cars. These were. Just come down here and we can have a look. Have a look at the. Just come up here a moment, and then let's have a walk down the side. I'll swing round. I won't come down here. To the back end. Yeah, it's a real old English Humber. Big old thing. You've got lots of cars here. It's a doing today here. Got Eastbourne's Ferris wheel right at the end. And swinging round. Right up to the end to where the car show ends here. Got lots and lots of cars here today. There really is. There's a lot doing here today. On Sunday, 1st of May. Brilliant weather. So now if I wander down the front here. You can just wander. See one. What he's really doing. Pan around here. See what he's doing.